YouTube, it is your girl Cole Woods, aka Sporty2 Posh. It has been some time. Since I have come to you guys with a wig review. My YouTube page has been incredibly neglected, and I feel terrible about that. So, to make it up to you guys, I'm going to be doing a review on this wig right now. Okay. So yeah, you might have seen some pictures of me in this wig during Paris Fashion Week, not this past season, but the season before. And so I'm going to give you guys a rundown. Now that I have worn it, and I mean I have worn it, I can give you guys an accurate review of this wig. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's get into the specs of this hair. So this is a Freetress equal baby hair wig, baby hair lace front wig in the color FFT1B30. The style is baby hair number 102. It is a lace center part wig. The part, let me back up. The part goes all the way back. It's about 5 inches long, all the way to my crown here, and it is 30 inches long. About 30 inches long. I really don't know, but based on other wigs that I have, I would say that it's about 30 inches long. And it is beautifully colored. Like, do you guys see those? Do you guys see this? Now, let's talk about how it's called a baby hair wig. Do you see any baby hair? Do you see any baby hair? Like, I don't know where they got that from, but you got to use your own. Like, 'cause there ain't no baby hair on this wig. But I mean, she's sitting. You see how she's sitting though. I know I got my edges pulled out a little bit on the side. They need some edge control because it was 94 degrees today. Don't judge me. But so yeah, they can use some edge control. But other than that, it is sitting down. There are 2 combs. The combs are right here, right on either side of the part. So they're right here. So it's a bit hard to keep the side flaps down. I have 2 bobby pins keeping the side flaps down, so that's not really an issue. And then there's a comb in the back. This is a shake and go wig, and when I tell you that this wig allowed me to serve looks during Paris Fashion Week, she came through. Now, it has been months. I've had this wig for months now, and this is where we're at. Now, I've seen other reviews of this same wig, just a few other reviews of the same wig, and for some reason, the curl pattern is much different in the other reviews that I've seen. In the other reviews, it's a much looser curl. As you can see, this curl is pretty tight, and you know what? I haven't like combed my fingers through it like that. If I can give one very important piece of advice, it is do not comb your fingers through a curly synthetic wig if you want it to last. What you do is you run your fingers over it, over the top. If it's a little fuzzy on the outside, just run it over the top. That is it. But you do not go running your fingers all through the wig. That's unless you want to end up with a handful of hair, synthetic hair. Do not run your fingers through no synthetic wig. I'm sorry. It's just I really hate to see a wasted investment, and that is a quick, surefire way to ruin your wig and give it a short shelf life. So, yeah. You guys, if you aren't already following me on Instagram, check me out so you can see some of the looks that were served up wearing this wig right here. I'm not going to take up too much time talking about it because it speaks for itself. Like, if you don't got it, go get it. I'm about to go get me another one, okay? Because this is after months, okay? I love this wig. Now, if you know me, I do my research. I do my research on everything. And this was not a wig that I just got online after watching a bunch of reviews. I happened to walk into the beauty supply store and I saw this on a mannequin, and I was like, let me try that. Let me try that on. I'm usually one to keep it classic. Like, I don't really do colors, except for the one time I did white hair, but that's a different story for a different day. Um, I typically keep it classic with a 1B. Keep it classic with my 1B. But I saw this right here. Oh my gosh, like, and it's like, it's aging like wine. It is aging like wine. It's getting better. It's getting better. Like, even with the fuzziness is only adding to it. Like, it's making it more full. It's making it look more natural. Like, I'm in love with this wig. Can I just tell you guys, I am in love with this wig. And I'm about to go get me another one. So yes, this is a real review. I did not just take this out the box, put it on my head, and come on YouTube to tell y'all what I thought. I have worn this. I've worn it out. It's been months now. I got this back. When did I get this? I got this in like September. I got this in September of 2019. 2019, September of 2019. It is now April 2020. Drop the mic. Like, that's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. And you see it. You see it. Now, was I wearing it every day? No. You can't do that with a synthetic wig. You cannot wear a synthetic wig every day and expect it to last. Like, this is a occasion only, like, you know, maybe 2 times in the week. But if you want a synthetic wig to last, you can't wear it out like that. If you need something that you need to wear on a daily, you need to get yourself a natural hair wig. This ain't it. But I will tell you, this one holds up. This one holds up. So yeah, I think I raved enough. If you guys are not already looking this wig up, you're missing out. I'm gonna put all the details in the description box below. If I missed anything, or if you guys want to know anything else about this wig, please leave your questions in the comment section below, and subscribe if you aren't already, and check me out on Instagram so you can actually see the final looks that I serve up. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video.